Hey everyone, welcome back. Today in this video, we'll see how to make some easy and quick lunchbox recipes. Hopefully, this will give you some easy and healthy lunch ideas when you are on the go. Now let's get started. Ingredients to make chicken gravy. To a pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil to fry the chicken and potatoes. This is 500 grams of chicken thighs. You can also use whole chicken and 2 potatoes cut into big chunks. Fry them for 3 to 4 minutes on a high flame. It's slightly brown on the top. Now let's remove it from the pan. Into the same oil, add some red chilies and 1 onion finely chopped. 1 tablespoon of chopped curry leaves. Fry this till the onion turns translucent. Add a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and fry this for a minute. After a minute, add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder and quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Keep the flame on low and fry all these spices for a minute and a half. Spices are cooked well. Now in this stage, let's add 2 tablespoons of cashew nut powder. Just grind the cashew nuts and add it to the gravy. Instead of cashew nut, you can also use couscous paste, 2 tablespoons. I'm adding quarter cup of yogurt. Mix well. Let it cook for a minute. To adjust the consistency, add half cup of warm water or chicken stock. If you don't have chicken stock, you can also use chicken cubes. Mix it with hot water and add it to the gravy. In this stage, adjust the seasoning. Let it come to a boil. Let's add the chicken and the potatoes. Mix well. Cover and cook it for 7 to 8 minutes or until it's soft. Ingredients to make: egg garlic rice. To a pan, add quarter teaspoon of oil to fry the garlic. Instead of adding the whole garlic, just crush a little. This will fry fast, and in this way you can save some time. For the spice, add some red chilies. This is done. Turn off the flame. Once it's cooled down completely, grind and store it in an airtight container. This is chili garlic powder. Use it whenever you need it. To a pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil and add 5 eggs. Season it with some salt and pepper. Scramble the eggs. Do not mash it fully. Just keep little big chunks. Now I'm adding 1 onion finely chopped. In this dish, onion should be little crunchy, so saute it for 30 seconds. Add 2 cups of cooked rice. Mix everything until well combined. In this stage, you can add some chili garlic powder, or while serving, keep some on top to mix and eat. Since I'm going to pack this for lunch box, I'm going to keep some on top. This is done. Finally, garnish with some onion leaves. Our chicken gravy is also done. Finally, add half a teaspoon of dried fenugreek leaves and half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. Just mix everything well and turn off the flame. Finally, garnish with some fresh coriander or dill leaves. To make the salad, you can use any veggies of your choice. I'm adding some roasted seeds and sliced almonds. Now for the salad dressing, into a bottle or a jar, add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of white vinegar, 1 garlic clove minced, half a teaspoon of mixed herbs, half a teaspoon of black pepper and half a teaspoon of salt. Two tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. One tablespoon of honey or any sweetener. Two tablespoons of light mayonnaise. Add the dressing to the salad before serving. It's so nice and creamy. Keep the remaining in the refrigerator and use it within 2-3 days. Now let's pack the lunch box. There you go, quick to pack Indian lunchbox combo. It has veggies, protein and carbs, healthy and nutritious food. Do try this easy recipes and share it with your family and friends. And I hope you find this video useful. For more such videos, click on the left to check out my previous video and on the right my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.